Hello everyone, welcome to my Android classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to use ListView to display list of data. And also we are going to use the ViewHolder pattern. So it's going to be like this. Okay, let's get started. So here is my main layout. It's just one list view. And we give it an ID. Let's work it out. So the next, we are going to create our adapter object. It takes two parameters. First one is the context, and the other one is the data source. Let's call it fruit. And we create the data source here, which is a string list, fruits. And next, we are going to create our main array adapter class. The adapter class is for organizing and populating the data into our list view. Main array adapter, and we extend array adapter, and inside the bracket we put in the data type of the item, which is string. And in here we create our constructor. Takes two parameters. The first one is the context. I mentioned before, context, and our data source, fruits. And we call the super method. Put in the context 0 and the data source. 0 means we are going to use our own custom item layout. So the next part is to create the item, the layout for the item view. Name it item main. The root element should be linear layout. Okay, let me format it. Press Ctrl and Alt and L. Okay. And this is the layout for the item, for each item inside the list view. So it's really simple, just one text view. Text color is black, and the size is 40 sp. And if you want to see the preview here, you can use the tools attribute. Tools attribute. You see that? We give it a padding of 60. And let's format it again. Looks better. Oh, don't forget to give it an ID. Main fruit name text view. Okay. Yeah. So back to our main array adapter. We next create the ViewHolder class. And create the member variable, which is the fruit name text view. and the ViewHolder constructor takes one parameter, which is the item view. And we use the item view to find view by ID. Okay, we just finished the ViewHolder setup. So the last part of this adapter is we press Ctrl and O and type in get view. This is the most important part of our adapter setup. So inside the get view method, we first create the item view, which is the convert view here. We just change the name. So next we create a main ViewHolder object, ViewHolder, and don't initialize it yet. So the next we need to determine whether the item view has been created or instantiated. If it's not, we are going to instantiate it now. So layout inflator from get context inflate. The first parameter is our item layout, item main, yeah. And the second is the view group. It has been provided from here, parent. And the last one is false, which means do not attach to root yet. And the second, we are going to initialize our ViewHolder. So we just put in the item view. And the next, we are going to use the item view to set tag and put in the ViewHolder, which means we are going to let the item view to make it memorize the ViewHolder object, and the ViewHolder object is holding the views of this item view. Yeah. So if the item view has been instantiated, then the ViewHolder, we get the ViewHolder back from the item view, get tag. And don't forget, you see the object type, don't forget to cast down to ViewHolder. So the next, we are going to get the object from of current position. So we use the ViewHolder to set text name. And lastly, don't forget to return the item view. Yeah. With that, we just finished the setup of the adapter. So we go back to our main adapter. And the next part, just set adapter to the ListView. And at this time, our data source, which is the fruits, the string list, is empty. So we are going to give it some data. Fruits. I'm not going to use the add because it's kind of troublesome. So I'm going to use a trick. Arrays as list. Apple, banana, peach, pear, kiwi, watermelon, strawberry, blueberry. That's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Peach. Okay, let's try. Apple, banana, peach, kiwi, watermelon, strawberry. Okay. Yeah, looks good. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.